My name is Roberto and welcome to my Ciao Bella Pizza Oven. So a little piece of fire starter.
So why would you recommend Ciao Bella Pizza Ovens to family and friends?
I like the style of it. It's built very strong. It's got good quality of stainless steel. And the insulation is nice, so it retains the heat. And it can go up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit to cook the pizzas in like 90 seconds. You can put some steaks, you can put some lamb, you can do some chicken in there too. It's versatile. You can even do fish. A little olive oil, rosemary, fresh, and you're off to the races.
Beautiful. So fast.
The fresh prosciutto. Some nice figs. Everybody wants to come over. We'll sit, listen to some music. We'll eat a little bit.
Good food, good fun.
Amazing.
Perfect.
Nice and hot.
So good. And I like the salmon
Yeah.
with the greens and the onion. The dressing was delicious.
That's all the pizzas for tonight. Till tomorrow. And a fresh batch of pizza from Ciao Bella. Good night.